Good afternoon, everyone. This is Khyati. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll go through WMS software, Warehouse Operations Management Software. Let's get started with it. We'll quickly log in with the credentials. First, we'll log in for Super Admin. So, here in Super Admin panel, you can see everything across the entire system and control access to every feature like company management, user management, reports, system settings, etc. Now we'll go to company admin panel. We'll log in with the credentials provided. Company admin panel. Here, company dashboard panel is mainly for managing operational hierarchy. Company admin connects with businesses goals with warehouse operations, control organizations, mid policies, inbound inventory, inbound inventory, suppliers, outbounds, what were the shipments, how many fulfillments happened, who all are our clients, the recurring clients also you can see it from here, the replenishment. Also you can have analytics from here. Authentication and role management also you can have it from here. We can have 3PL clients, the third party management system, order processing, real time inventory tracking, task engines, the returns, the reports, margin analysis, etc. Coming next to warehouse manager, we will log in again with the same credentials for warehouse manager. For warehouse manager, it operates on a individual warehouse, okay, keeps operational organized and running on schedule. The pending picks, the assigned tasks, pending packets, shipments, dispatch, productivity report, you can all access from here, from the tabs provided. Such is the working of warehouse manager dashboard. We'll come next on to inventory manager. Just a second, we'll log in with the inventory manager credentials. Now for inventory manager, this is very helpful. You can control the stocks, quality and quantity of stocks, ensure accurate stock panels, the levels, and reduce the stock outs, the overstocks from this dashboard. Low stock alerts, as you can see, the smart reorder, today's movements, product stock, warehouse, stock reports and movements, etc. The fifth we have is picker, picker dashboard. For picker dashboard, it mainly handles items, picking tasks, focuses on picking and accurate delivery and retrieval of products. So you can see from here pending picks, pick today issues, the pick list. If you go onto the left hand tab, you can see pick list, order assigned to, strategy fulfillment, status, action. You can also assign status if the packet got delivered, if it's in pending, or if it got delayed. Likewise, the last one, coming on to the Packer software, the Packer dashboard. For Packer dashboard, again, very easy to manage. It will prepare orders for delivery, ensures correct packaging and ready to ship orders. As you can see, packing queue and progress for Packer, pending orders completed today, returns, what was the order, how many assignments were assigned, order number, customer priority, items and their statuses. You can also track the daily progress from here, like we can see 100% efficiency, done one. So it will show 100% efficiency. Likewise, you can also track the um, results of packers and pickers also. So WMS software altogether is an authentication and role management software where you can login role and control the roles and permissions. Feed time, inventory tracking. You can also do order processing. It's also a task engine. Also would alert you and notify you of any stock levels, reporting and analytics across domains. It's very useful for any software manager or for any logistics and supply chain company that might want to increase their efficiency. Thank you.